We build machine tools. We build manufacturing solutions for anybody that's making chips or doing fabrication work. It's a very fast-moving environment, but it's a great culture. It's a family here, and it's a lot of fun.
FlexArm is probably one of the coolest places I ever worked.
One of those jobs that it's actually fun to get up and have to come to work.
You get thrown a challenge that you didn't know you could handle, and then all of a sudden it turns out it can. So.
Kind of a family-oriented, team-driven. I like it.
So the most satisfying part of my job, I think, is my customer base. I work with anyone from your mom and pop machinist to a design engineer for Tesla.
Honestly, just the thing that these machines can do is it's cool to watch.
The travel on these things are great. I think I had up to one time 6 different jobs set up on this machine, and I can go from one job to the next pretty quick.
Really, as long as everybody comes in here and puts their best foot forward, they're going to be able to grow and succeed with the company.
Honestly, it's not a job, not at all. I mean, it's a career. It's something that every single person in here, from the top to the bottom, everybody's got the same passion and the same goal.
Honestly, if somebody's looking for a place where they can really advance their career, looking for a challenge, then this is the place.